Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancer. Wagwan peeps, to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Wagwan peeps, welcome back everybody. You see me? Bless up on yourself first and foremost. You see me? So, watch a prayer now to the video. It kinda epic, you see me, so tune in and just hear me out on that one you call. Nah man, it's like, alright, let me tell you what go on first. You see me? So gunmen rob 3.2 million from Giant Bank. You see me, security, guards, firearm also stolen. So you see what gone. So this morning gunman invaded and robbed the Giant Bank in White House, Westmoreland, of approximately $3.2 million. Them say, here's a pray, guys. Also, in statement to the Star, Giant Bank said none of its employment are members of the public staff, you see me, who were at the location were armed. However, an armed guardsman security guard assigned to the location was injured. You see me? So the security has since received medical attention. The security firearm also was reportedly stolen. So you see how the dog them all move differently. It's like I don't even know how him make them do that still, although a 3-man. You see my guys, and I don't know how much security they still in, but they're so kinda loose, you see me? Yeah, but in other words, the gunmen then fled the scene in a taxi, in a stolen taxi. So them rob a taxi to you, see me? See how the man them a move. Yeah man, so tell me what you think. You see it, people? The JN location is currently closed and the police and guardsmen are now on the scene conducting investigations. You see me? It says employees are receiving counseling also. You see, pray. So guys, wanna elaborate with me now? You see me? Oh, like for me, you know, as in for say them man they do that right now. Them picture you they out on scene, you see me? Them out in the media, you see me? And I like me a inform, you know, this in a newspaper, this a go come on TV later, you see me? And when me a pray, just look on it, you see me? 3 man just come robbing this so no King Alarm or none of them people, you know. You see me? Reach other spot they so quick. Feel like something on the inside go on, you see me? Things like them, but alright, if that not go on then say alright, say the mask thing, you know. You see me, due to the situation, say, alright, mass people are for wear nowadays going a certain business place. You know them way there? So, that now, give them a bombard, where they call it. Yeah, so leverage, it would have be, our advantage would have be the word, you see me? So, advantage, so, them have the mask and wear, as in for say them normally people can't go in a bank with them thing there, you see me? So that sense they give them, you see me, that them don't get that gear they up already for mask off them face, you see me? So for come in strap, you know, them not get searched that way, you see me? Yeah, so more than them on sanitize, you know them way there. So the leverage, you know, that would give them the influence for say, you know, say at the right time for do this. You see me? You know them way there. Yeah man people, so them man I'm not telling a lie. Them a slick Rick. You see me, cause 2 me hear it go on, you know me I tell you. Dog them plan this neat and do them thing and execute it, but right now them make sure say them bombard fly out of that, me I tell them. Cause I remember the last set of man they made rob the Chinese place. Amount of them me hear take time dead off and thing, you know them way there. Yeah man, that go down man, so dog them do them things still, man. I gotta tell no lie. No much people that want to rob a bank and they get a chance. You see me? But me not rob no bank still, I'm rather put in my work. That's why I'm up on YouTube. You see me? Yeah man, so anyways, The dog, them, just do them thing. Them set suburbs, most of them are the pan watch out there now. So we are going to hear about them, people. Yeah, I bet me. When you so hear about something about them or decide that. You see me? But big up on yourself and you know the style. Go leave the comment. Bam up a like spot. You see me? In other words, leave a like. You see me? Share to a friend or a family. No matter the end of the video. This. Bless up on yourself.